How to post on Facebook. First, edit the post in your WhatsApp inbox. Copy it. Now open Facebook. Always use Page to post since an account is risky. It might be banned. Click to switch to Page. Click what's on your mind to create the post. You can also attach screenshots. Click Post to submit the post. You can switch to next page. Post on Page Direct and in groups. To grow your page, click the to invite people to follow and like. Create a post now. Post on groups. Go to search bar and search the country you want to post to. If it's first time, join 15 groups and post. Do the same daily as you post until you join all. Make the same post on different groups. By the way, that's one way of getting clients from any country. Whenever someone is interested, he will join. Using the link you attach on the post or click the inbox link to chat with you on WhatsApp to your inbox on WhatsApp. Every idea works. It's all about being consistent with how you post. Let's check. Let's keep earning. Only pays.